Good morning, welcome back to the Wolfman Gardening Channel. Whether you're a first-time gardener or you're a seasoned pro at starting seeds, both can be exciting and a little bit overwhelming. But what if I told you that most beginners make the same 5 seed starting mistakes? Well, today I'm going to walk you through some of these common mistakes and how to avoid them so you can have a better, more successful garden season. Let's dive in. First up, overwatering. One of the most common mistakes I see new gardeners make is it's easy to get carried away when you're excited about these tiny little seedlings, but too much water can drown them and cause them to rot. Remember, seeds need moisture, but not a swamp. So a good rule of thumb is to water them when the top of the soil feels a little bit dry, and make sure that your containers have good drainage. So try to bottom water whenever you can. The next mistake is using the wrong soil. You might think that any soil will do, but seeds need light, well-draining mix to sprout and grow strong. Garden soil can be too heavy, dense, and can suffocate seeds and lead to poor germination. Instead, use a seed starting mix that's light and fluffy and packed with nutrients that your little sprouts need. Trust me, your seedlings will thank you later. Okay, mistake number 3 is ignoring your seeds' light requirements. Seeds need light to germinate in order to grow strong, but they always need direct sunlight at first. Placing them in a sunny window on some varieties are exceptional, but most seedlings need about 12 to 16 hours of light each day to thrive. So just make sure your seedlings aren't too far away from the light source, or they'll start to get leggy and stretching for that light and make them weak and spindly. The next mistake is planting your seeds too early. It can be tempting to get out there and get a jump start on the growing season, but planting them too early can lead to weak seedlings that suffer from being overcrowded indoors. The longer you leave them indoors, the more the roots will bound together and sometimes stunt the growth of these seedlings. Most seeds should be started indoors somewhere between 6 to 8 weeks before your area's last expected frost date. So if you plant them too early, you're going to end up with leggy plants or seedlings that outgrow their containers long before it's time to transplant them outdoors. Plan your planting times carefully so your seedlings can have the best chance to survive when it's time to move them outdoors. And finally, the last big mistake is not hardening off your seedlings. This is a crucial step. Hardening off is a process of gradually acclimating your indoor grown seedlings to the outdoor conditions. So don't just toss them outside on a planting day and hope for the best. Start by placing them outside for a few hours in a shady spot, then slowly increase that amount of sunlight and outdoor exposure over a period of about 7 days. This will help your plants adjust to the temperature fluctuations, the wind, direct sunlight, without shocking them. And trust me, they'll be a much healthier, stronger plant whenever you get them out and plant them in your garden. So there you have it, 5 seed starting mistakes to watch out for this season. Remember, starting seeds is all about patience and attention to detail. If you avoid these mistakes, then you will be well on your way to growing a healthy, happy plant. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope it's really helped you out. If so, leave your comments down at the bottom. Let me know some of the struggles you've had when trying to grow seedlings. Hit that like button. Think about subscribing to the channel because it really helps me out. And hit that bell notification and you'll be notified every time I put a video out. And like always, keep it growing.